Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI Mi Air Purifier 3C and my phone, and now I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware on this device. So firstly, open XIAOMI Home application. I think you are connected to your device with your phones and XIAOMI Mi Air Purifier. If you are not connected, so you need to connect firstly. So watch our video to know how to do it. So then open Mi Air Purifier on your room and click on 3 dots option button on the right top corner of your screen. Then just click firmware update. And as you can see, I have the current version is the current version is latest, so I'm not need to update my firmware. But if you have the update, so I suggest you to update it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.